flavor and the softness. It makes a perfect toast breakfast snack, whether you toast it or not. Sometimes a little bit of butter, but they're just soft and a little bit of sweet and cinnamon, and they're just delicious. Favorite's the maple brown sugar. It's a little bit thicker, and I really like maple flavoring. So it's pretty just sweet and almost like a pastry. It also makes perfect French toast. Just dip in a little bit of egg wash, and the thickness and the flavor and everything, it's just perfect with French toast. It certainly reminds you of a pastry, because the maple especially, because it's good right out of the bag. You don't have to do anything to it. You just snack on it, and it tastes like a maple, almost a maple donut. Not quite like a donut, but similar to a pastry with some maple flavoring. It's really good. So the 4 different flavors we have, the potato bread is our kind of go-to, because that's who we are, and a lot of people love potato bread. And with the cinnamon and raisin, it just goes really well together. But for those who don't like the potato, the butter bread goes really, really well. It tastes very similar, but it's butter bread instead of potato bread. And then there's plenty of people that don't like raisins, but they like cinnamon swirls. So we have a potato cinnamon swirl that, again, is just delicious. It's nice soft potato bread with some cinnamon and some sugar. So it makes a great toast, a great snack. And the maple makes great French toast. Just it's a little thicker, has a little different bite to it because it's thicker, but it's really, really soft and sweet, and just has a delicious maple flavor to it. So it just gives you a variety with no raisins as an alternative. Our bread stands out because it's soft. Most of the swirls that I've tasted out there tend to be fairly dry, and you really have to load it with butter to kind of get a little more moist bite to it. Ours are soft right out of the bag compared to the competitors out there, and our flavor's much better. Some of the ones out there I don't care for. Some are okay, but ours definitely has better flavor and softness. One good use for ours that probably others might not be liked as well is a kid snack after school. Just before, to get hold of them over to dinner, just give them a slice of swirl bread, any of them. It's not quite as sugary as some snacks, so it'd just be a real good snack to get them holding over to dinner time. Give them a try. You won't regret it as long as you like swirl breads, and even those who maybe didn't like other people's swirl breads, you might like ours because it's soft and just delicious.